So are you looking for a new build in Navarre, Florida that is close to Walmart and the schools and Aldi's? Well, today I am going to tour a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. If this is something you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So on the exterior of this house, there is stone and stucco. The front door is fiberglass. This also is a gated community. So as we come into the front door, here's the foyer. It does have 10-foot ceilings, and the LVP flooring is throughout the whole house. So here is the dining room. Look at that ceiling. That is amazing. And so we come through the foyer. You do have a hallway. That is where the garage is, and that'll take you to the laundry room, the master room. And you can also get over to the primary room off of the kitchen nook area. So the kitchen does have quartz countertops and does have a separate island. And in the pantry, there is the built-in wood shelving. All of the bedrooms do have the built-in wood shelving. In the nook area here, there is the wainscoting. Here is the covered lanai. We could put some screens on the covered lanai. Take a walk out there. So that door takes you to the primary. There is recessed lighting and fans out here as well. There are 3 bedrooms off to the side over here. We do have a full bathroom. Got a single vanity, and the bedroom here, it does face the back of the house. There's the backyard, and it does have the LVP. There's the closet area. And then you come back out to the living room, and there is the office, which is in the front of the house. It does have the 10-foot ceilings in here with the LVP. There's a closet here, the end of the hallway, and then there's 2 more bedrooms that share a bathroom. So you do have the Jack and Jill on these 2 bedrooms. Now these bedrooms do have the 9-foot ceilings. There's the closet. There is a fenced-in backyard as well. And this bathroom does have the double vanity with the tub and shower combo. And then the 3rd bedroom on this other side of the house is in the front of the house. Does have the 9-foot ceilings, and it's connected to the Jack and Jill bathroom. And here is the closet for the 3rd bedroom. So the 2 bedrooms do share. Here's another closet with the wooden shelves already in. Bedroom 1 and 2 do share a Jack and Jill, and they are down a hallway by themselves. And then you have bedroom 3 in the back with its own bathroom. And then there is the office, and then the formal dining room and the kitchen with the quartz countertops. And through the kitchen is the primary. It is in the back of the house. Let's see, the fenced in yard does have the box ceiling. And in the primary bathroom does have 2 separate vanities. And also it has the cypress stained beams and a separate shower, the curbless shower. That's all tile. And you do have a separate tub. And then the water closet is over here. The primary bedroom does connect to the laundry room. Here is the primary closet. It does have the built-in wooden shelving, and it comes straight through to the laundry room that has the cabinets in it. You have more storage here, and then it comes back out. You do have the garage here with your mudroom and coat hanger, shiplap area for your shoes. And there is a tankless water heater also with this property, and a termite bait station. There's the hurricane protection. Got the gas stove in the kitchen. So if this is something that you are considering, this is a little over 2,700 square feet. It's a split level, split floor plan, 3 bedrooms on one side, the primary on the other. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Some of the other houses